get on fine through stormy weather and bars of wine. If I pull my weight, he'll treat me well, but if I'm late, he'll get me hell. And though it's all hard work, no play, farmer is a happy cook, but Jesus hates him every day, 'cause Jesus gave and Father took. What he let you probably know, probably know. I just so know, I just so know. Me and the farmer like brother like sister, getting all our hand and blister me.